Sistine Chapel and the Vatican, but there's so much going on here. It is pretty incredible. It's just everywhere you look, there's so much detail. Okay, so that's about the only part of the Sistine Chapel that you will see, because it's closed today, which is ridiculous because nowhere does it say that it's going to be closed. And yeah, apparently it's closed. So a bit insane that they don't tell you. We walked all the way to the end just to find that out. Most of the guards here, they don't know either, so they just look at you and they go, I don't know. There's still so much detail in here though. It still is beautiful. Still worth coming, but it's just a bit strange that they don't say anything. Italians, mamma mia.
Strange is outrageous.
So as you can see, the line is pretty massive to get all the way up there. Hopefully you can see it on the camera, but it is beautiful, but man, I'm not going to wait in line. It's going to take hours. I think what we're going to do now is actually go get some pizza. If you've never had pizza in Italy, it's a little different than pizza in, let's say, Australia or America. So good. That was our bus. It's like a mini bus. So this is actually our favorite pizza shop in Italy. It's always just good quality and it's cheap too. So we're gonna see if it's any good. Last time we came here, I think it was about 3 years ago. So it's been some time.
It looks like
So just how it was last time. A little bit floppy, but this is good pizza. So we've made it back to the Airbnb. The food was just as good as it was 3.5 years ago when we had it the last time. Same restaurant and everything, really good. But we're pretty tired. As you can see, we've got a little foosball table, if you can see that. But we're pretty tired, so we might relax for a little bit. Just break everything. And then we might have dinner later on. So if you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.